Rick, are you able to stand in for this plea?
Sure, it took me a second. I think that's an opportunity.
Yes. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 0044180, State versus Diana LeCompte. Could I have parties announce?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Nick Aguilar on behalf of the Honorable Diana LeCompte.
And how do you pronounce your last name?
LeCompte.
There's no, all right, you're not Jordan? She's not from Louisiana, okay.
Well, she says she is.
Oh, yeah.
That is not the correct pronunciation. What is your family doing? Come on, Mom. Teach you have to teach. Oh, no, don't come forward. Yeah, you got to teach your daughter better with the pronunciation. No. Yep, let me just tell you,
Yes, ma'am.
we're off the record.
How should I pronounce it from now on?
Put that accent over that E. All right, so we're back on the record. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And is there an application in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. This should be up there. I found it in my notes.
All right. Did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, you're proceeding on the indictment as presented, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with, why are you putting Citizenship Louisiana on this paper?
I always do that, Judge, just so the judge knows I asked. Always put in state.
Okay, all right.
When you see that, you'll see it on all my, I always make a note there so they know I asked.
Oh, okay. I was like, are you just doing that?
Another country.
Well,
Not yet.
yeah,
Okay.
You know where that's at.
All right. Did you understand by entering this plea, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement? If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Very much so, yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and is legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her rights to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did.
Okay. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $2,000 fine. The state is recommending deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Maybe.
Oh, well, let me go over it. So, according to your plea bargain agreement, there's a $2,000 fine.
Yes.
The state is recommending that you be placed on a form of probation that's called deferred adjudication. Did you understand that?
Yes.
And they're asking for restitution, and the restitution is supposed to be for the drug testing. Do you understand?
Yes.
They don't have an amount for the drug testing because it's not in the police report how much it costs to test the drugs. Do you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, were there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 150 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand that was a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, state offers into evidence, state to exhibit 1 with all attachments.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, we have no
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. All right, proceeding with sentencing.
If you would consider that, yes.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge Diane was in an abusive relationship. She admits that she did one of the drugs in her stock. She tells me she was self-medicating to help her through the relationship she was in. It's never been in trouble before that I'm aware of. So it took a bit to get through to understand the deferred concept, or deferred adjudication supervision concept. She would like you to consider granting her the deferred adjudication for a period of.
All right, are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm a sales agent
And what are you selling?
from Spectrum. Spectrum.
Spectrum.
Spectrum.
Yep.
Okay. Spectrum does keep going up on their prices. Nobody knows. They get you in with the contract and then prices rise. So I've heard. How long have you been working there?
I just started, it's my 4th week.
The last time we were here in quarantine, we got out of here quick so that you could get her orientation that was.
All right. And how many children do you have?
3,
What are their ages?
25, 22, and 17.
All right. And do they still live with you?
No,
Where's the 17-year-old? Who's he with?
he's with his dad.
And if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'll pass.
When's the last time you used?
4/20, 2024.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's a $2,000 fine that will be probated, 4 years deferred adjudication, 150 hours of community service restitution. And you know what? Even though he's 17, I'm going to ask for the parenting classes. You can never go wrong with the parenting class. Once you complete the parenting classes, the 150 hours of community service restitution will be deemed satisfied. Now, if you don't want the parenting classes, your other option is to work in the Texas heat for 150 hours.
Yeah, I don't mind classes either.
Okay. So there has to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do you have to go to work today?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Then we'll do a UA tomorrow. There'll be field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. TAP evaluation, out of custody, follow TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we can start with intensive outpatient treatment.
I did all that. I did outpatient.
Oh, just give that information to them. Okay. But what the TAP evaluation is, it's just some questions you need to answer and they'll make a decision. They may say you don't need anything. All right, probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Just a question, if I can take the UA today, that way I don't have to miss tomorrow too.
Sure, you can take a UA today. All right. Anything else?
Will somebody give her guidance on where to take that UA?
Yes. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
I understand.
All right. We can go off the record. In this court, communication is key to be successful on probation. If you have an issue, let your probation officer know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. All right. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you so
All
much.
right. You're welcome. All right. Mick, you were great. As far
And there it is. The case of State versus Diana Lack comes to a close. Instead of prison, she's walking away with probation, community service, and classes. It's a second chance, but one with strict oversight. The judge made it clear. Communication with probation is key, and any slip could mean years behind bars. This case raises bigger questions about our justice system. When is punishment enough? And when should rehabilitation take priority? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
Where's the testing?
I think we'll be fine today.
Yes,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome.